Welcome to Car, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of the 2025 Suzuki Minibus, focusing solely on its sleek exterior design and features. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle stand out on the road. First off, Suzuki has given the 2025 minibus a bold, modern look. The front fascia has undergone a major redesign, with a larger, more prominent grille that's both aggressive and functional. The hexagonal shape of the grille is framed with chrome accents, giving it a more premium feel, while also aiding in better airflow for improved engine cooling. The headlights are another standout style feature, boasting a sleek, that sets the tone for the rest of the exterior. These LED units provide excellent visibility at night and add a sharp, futuristic edge to the front end of the minibus. They're integrated seamlessly into the front bodywork, creating a streamlined appearance that flows naturally from one component to the next. The LED daytime running lights further enhance its modern aesthetic, and showing the minibus makes an impression whether it's day or night. Moving along to the side profile, the 2025 Suzuki Minibus carries a boxy yet refined shape, which is essential for maximizing interior space while maintaining a contemporary, stylish exterior. The body lines are sharp and purposeful, giving the vehicle a dynamic presence even while standing still. Suzuki has paid special attention to aerodynamics, incorporating subtle design tweaks such as sloping A-pillars and an optimized roofline. This not only improves fuel efficiency but also reduces wind noise at higher speeds. At the lower end, we see 15-inch alloy wheels that come standard on the minibus. These wheels have a clean, geometric design that complements the vehicle's overall aesthetic. They're durable enough to handle both urban and rural roads, making the minibus versatile for different driving environments. The wheel arches are slightly flared, giving the vehicle a sturdier stance while also protecting the body from road debris. Now let's check out the rear of the 2025 Suzuki Minibus.